Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So the weekly Chrome security updates are now rolling out to Brave. So if you are using Brave, just to give you a quick heads up. And these latest security fixes rolled out on the 28th of Feb, which was once again late yesterday in my region. So because we are dealing with security issues, it's always good to double check you have the latest version in bold. And after the update has been applied, the version for the browser is sitting on 1.63.165, and the Chromium platform, which the browser is based on, is sitting on version 122.0.6261.94. Now, over and above the security fixes that have rolled out for the Chromium platform, we do get some fixes. So Web3, which is your cryptocurrency side of things, your Brave wallet, that's received a fix and an improvement. And then rewards, they've also fixed failed Brave reward state migration. So a bit of the cryptocurrency side of things, Web3 and Brave rewards getting one or two fixes and improvements. Now, the security fixes that have rolled out will be exactly the same as Chrome, but just a quick recap. There are 4 security fixes. All of them are high risk. There are no 0 days, but high risk is your level just under critical. And all of the high risk vulnerabilities, all 4, are addressing type confusion in V8, and that's the V8 JavaScript engine. And that's a common exploit in the Chromium based web browsers, which gets patched and addressed almost on a weekly basis. So 4 security fixes have rolled out, all high risk. So an important security update nonetheless, so just double check your browser's up to date. And I have found that Brave does update automatically in the background a lot better than most other browsers. And as I've mentioned, each time updates do roll out, and I am aware of them, by the time I get to the browser, in most cases, that update has already applied itself automatically in the background. So that's it. That's the weekly security updates that have rolled out for Brave. We are still waiting for Microsoft Edge, and I'm going to post regarding Vivaldi because Vivaldi has received a version upgrade. I'll do that a little bit later today. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.